Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make a TNT dispenser that will make TNT rain all over this village. And you may be wondering, what has this village done to you? You know what it has done to me? This iron golem. You know why? Because I just realized something. He looks like me. No, he looks like a disco mod. And I hate disco mods because they're creepy. So I am going to destroy this village. Where was I? Okay. So, and also, just because, well, 15 beetroot for only just one emerald. That is such a scam. So I'm gonna teach this village a little lesson, shall we say. Okay, let's get into it. So first, we want to put some dispensers. Put only one dispenser. Go behind it. Make a redstone signal, so like this. Turn it on. That, no, that, and that. Put a lever there. There you go. Now put some TNT in it. Make sure it's a lot of TNT. Now duplicate it. So you should get a data dispenser. So it should look something like this. And then there. Put one there. Nope. Shift. Am I shifting? I am shifting. Good. Okay, break this block. Now put slabs in front of it. So it should look like this. Get a good view. Okay, then get a water bucket. I'm gonna be mean. What is a mob that we all hate? Pop-up fish. Let's go. Put that there. Put that there. No. It's gonna destroy my machine. No, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. This is why you're adopted. No, okay, get out of here. There you go. Problem solved. A little bit. Doesn't matter. Just spam fish buckets now.
What did you do?
Okay, how much puffer? Hold up. AFK. Crap. Sorry, guys. Turns out my 4-year-old little brother likes to hit women. Can I even say that? Okay, you want? Doesn't matter. Am I? Okay, good. I restarted my recording. Why isn't this working? No idea. Anyway, so a little contact. So my little brother threw something at my sister who is sleeping, and now she's crying. If you can hear her cries, just type RIP in the comments. Do I have to restart? Okay, I have to restart Minecraft. Pause. Sorry, guys. Is she still crying? Damn, that's crazy. Anyways, I put that water there. Move. I will kill you. Why can't I add more, huh? I want to, okay, you know what, doesn't matter. You place that there. And you place that there, and there. Right? And then you click the lever, wait for 5 seconds, press the redstone, and bye-bye. Haha, TNT rain! Look, you might get destroyed, but who cares? This is what you like to see, don't you? Before and after. Is this a cave? Or is it just because of my lag? No, it's an actual cave. Damn, that's crazy. And there's a mine shaft. What the freak? What's in this chest? Ah, nothing. I was gonna say, imagine it's like a god apple. Okay, I want to see if I can survive this. Hold up. I like to see this, don't you? Just see this happening. No? Look how cool it looks. You know what? That's one side. I'm gonna make another one on this side. Now some of the TNT got up here. Anyway, hold up. Why is the blacksmith here? Well, time to see if there's gonna be anything good. Wrong spot. Yo, 2 diamonds? Bet, thank you. I'm gonna continue destroying this. Okay, time to make it on this side. I'm gonna speedly do it because you guys already know how to make it now. There. That there. Wait a minute, I wonder if the pufferfish is there. Okay, come on. Yoink, 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 and then pufferfishes. Your move, please. Thank you. Can I place more? I can. What the freak? I can finally place more. Hold up. BRB. Okay, so what happened basically was I pressed recording. I blew up my own machine because I built it wrong. And then also I forgot that I wasn't recording. I just checked and apparently I wasn't recording. So I had to redo everything. So I'm currently rebuilding the machine on the other side. Then competitor, what the freak? Okay, place that. Yo, nothing blowing up, right? Good. Am I forgetting a part? Yes, I am. Good thing I noticed. Place that there, then there, and then there. And now we watch as the fight continues. Who would win? TNT Cannon or the village? And I'm pretty sure yes. And there's another one that's continuing to blow up everything. I'll show you what would happen if I just stood here. I would get launched into oblivion. Can I even go up without fighting? Okay. Where did I build it? Over here, right? Yeah, I built it over here. Good. Okay, ready, guys? Okay. I just turn on this. Wait for a bit. Turn on that. What the? Oh, I know what's happening. That's not on. Okay. Then I break that again. And I'm gonna pause this video. 5 seconds. BR. Sorry about that. My mom was telling me what ice cream I want. So, yeah. Okay, please work. Am I recording? Please tell me I'm recording. Good, I'm recording. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Wait for a bit. Go. Please. Okay, what? It's gonna explode. Yep, everything exploded. But at least this explosion. Do I have to redo it? I have to redo it, don't I? Wait a minute. I can easily just redo this. Hold up. This is the only reason why it keeps on blowing up, because the TNT lands here and just explodes and it goes backwards. So that's the only reason, guys. I promise you that my machine is not faulty. Hold up, I'm gonna have to do something. I got this. I promise you it's not 40. Did I just say 40? No, I said 40. Yes. What? It's not 40, okay? You still owe me, okay? Crap. No, no good. Wait. No good. Okay, do that. Yes, very good. Do that. Yes, very good. Spam, no, not good. This one not good. Okay, there. Bye, water. Ha ha ha. I'm beating it. Okay, now I have to do the redstone. Okay. Everyone be ready for mass destruction, okay? Okay, I'm gonna stop doing the accent because I know it sounds very bad. Okay, I just do that. Then line it up. Okay, there you go. And then I just line it up. Hello. No. Okay. No good. This is no good. Put that there. Put that there. I'm building it wrong, but who cares? Can I even reach it from here? Let's see. No, I cannot. Doesn't matter. Go! I choose you! I don't care if my machine blows up. I just keep on making it again and again. Hold up, this farm is very ruining my vibes. Hold up, wait a minute. Just get rid of this water. I hate water. What happened? Oh no, this block blew up. No worries. I got it. Ah. Wait a minute. Oh crap. I'm stupid. Doesn't matter. This part is destroyed enough. Next part. Oh, I like to see it still going. Yes. I wish I could do something about the water though. Hmm. Where is it? Bingo. It's a whole ocean, but I think I can do it. With enough willpower, I can do anything I set my mind to. Is this even working? No. Okay. Need to solve this. But how? I just spam it. And it should be gone. Yes. Just spammed it. Ha ha ha. Just spam it. Get better. Okay, whatever. More. I need more. I said. More. Is anyone still watching? That's my question. If you guys are still watching, I'm impressed. You gotta put up with me continuously stopping the video. So thank you for everyone who's staying tuned. Anyway, guys, you should always like this. You should always subscribe to me. If you are not, what are you doing? Why are you wasting your time? You should sub to me right now as we're speaking. It doesn't matter if you're getting adopted or something. You should just sub to me already. It's completely free and it takes no time at all. Just scroll down and hit subscribe. Wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? I just was placing sponge. I'm like, hold up, what am I doing? Hold up. Break that. Is that out of TNT? Well, that's out of TNT. Where else should I do this? Bye-bye, water. Guys, I hate water. I love it, but I also hate it. The reason why I hate it, the water bill is too expensive for me. Very expensive. I don't know why. It's bloody water. If I need water, I can just go to the ocean and grab it. So why is it always so expensive? Why is my water bill $2,500, huh? Huh? Someone answer me, please. I need a response. Like right now. And if you don't subscribe to my channel, then someone will come into your house currently. So you should all sub right now as I'm speaking. Please do. And also please comment because I always read that. Yes, I have a lot of free time. Like a lot of free time. More than your mom has when your father left on vacation and she invites a dude over. Okay. My mom told me to do chores, but I'm deciding not to do it. I'm making this video. So I'm practically killing myself. So I'm cooked when she gets home. So you should all subscribe right now. And like and comment. Because I have no life and read all my comments. Okay, Pufferfish, go away please. Thank you. Okay, on that note, I'm going to return back to normal. Whoosh. Thank you, random Indian person I found on the internet. Like he was saying, you guys should subscribe. Like, really subscribe. Please. Thank you. Isn't that rare? I feel like that's rare. Whoa, is it fast? I wonder. Wait a minute. It's fast. So basically, it transfers the baby zombie speed. The spider's abilities crawl. Hold up, don't die. Here. Go in, bud. Go in. Yes, harass the villagers. Touch them.
Show. Show.